Hi everyone, so I share with you today how I make my potato breakers so delicious and fluffy. So these are my recipe. This is my butter and this is my all-purpose flour, and this is my Irish potato, the white one, and this is my onions, and this is my salt, and this is my sesame. Then I take out the skin of the potato. You can see how I'm taking out the skin. So I finish, then I cut it into smaller pieces. So this is my pot. I wash the potato, then I pour it in the pot. Then I add salt, a little bit of salt. Then I add my water to the pot and cover my pot, allow to cook. And this is my butter and my flour. So I'm using all-purpose flour. So this is a mixture of butter and flour. So you continue to mix it like this. You can see how it's already looking. So this mixture here, I add my 1 cup of water, I have my half tablespoon of salt, then I add my teaspoon of baking powder. My potato is ready. You can see how soft it is. So this is how your potato needs to be soft. Then you take it off from the stove, then you sieve out the water. So this is my butter to fry my onions. Then I add my onions. So this is my onions. Fry your onions until it's a little bit brown, not that brown. So my onions is ready. Then I transfer the onions to the potato. So this is my onions and my potato. Then I add black pepper. This recipe requires black pepper and salt, a pinch of salt. Then you match up everything together. So my filler for the potato breakers is ready. Then you put it at the middle. Then you roll it. You can see the way I'm doing it. Then you use your egg to brush the side. Then you flip it on top. You place it on top of the other one. Then you cut it into the size that you want. So you can see how it's looking. Then you can everything on. Then use your butter to brush the ends and flip up on top. So this is how it's looking. Then you cut it into the size that you want. Then you brush it with your egg. Then you use your egg to brush. So it's time for me to sprinkle my sesame. Then I add my sesame. So I finish most sesame. So you can see how it's already looking yummy. So it's ready to go to the oven. Don't forget, I'm using 180 centigrade for the heat, then bake it for like 30 minutes.